force of something but parang, ano ba, we have a respect on one another. Even sa mga coaches, that's how they mold us. That's how they believe in us na yun nga, mentally tough talaga yung nangyari sa akin for the losing streak. Pero we still believe that we can. And sa lahat ng chances and opportunity, we just need to make sure that we will grab them.
For sure naman, alam niyo yung sa usapan sa free throws at ay yung problema ng usage. Yun nga, napansin ng iba yung pre-game routine. Hindi pa rin medyo maganda 24 to 39, but can you just share how are you addressing that concern? Especially importante na yung mga yun.
Ano lang, kailangan lang namin to have trust. Like kung sino yung tigilan natin ito, dapat believe na yung and ano din, of course, parang and this yung nga, papapang na yung sa score. Even though ganun yung nangyari, we still believe na maangat namin yung comfort zone natin. Ano lang talaga, stick lang talaga kami kung ano yung routines namin and yun, kung nakita nyo before the game kanina, we're just enjoying it, di ba? And we shoot free throws like that, malaki yun, boost our confidence in making shots.
About